Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a DIY hair mask that I use on my natural hair. I found this idea on Discovering Natural's channel. Hello sis, if you are watching. And ever since I've been using this hair mask, and it makes my hair very soft and manageable. So today I decided to share it with you. Please, if you are new here, click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Here I have one banana, medium banana, and this is fenugreek seed, and also this is the powder, fenugreek powder. I'm showing you the two because in case if you don't have the powder, you can also use the seed. You just soak the seed overnight and the next day you blend it into a creamy form. So now I have my measuring spoons, my haul. In a video she used avocado fruits, but here I don't have one because I couldn't find the ripe one, so I decided to use avocado oil instead of the fruits. I have my blender, aloe vera juice, and my sieve. Here I'll first of all measure my fenugreek powder. I'm not using the seed, I just wanted to show you, that's why I brought it here. In case you don't have the powder, you can also use the seed, exactly the way I'm using the powder. Here is it. In her video she used the 60 ml, that's 1/4 cup of the powder, but I don't want it to be too much for me, so I'm using the 30 ml. And here is my fenugreek seed, fenugreek powder, sorry. Okay, this is the amount I'll be using. And now I'm going to add half a cup of aloe vera juice, and then I mix it together very well to avoid any lumps. It looks watery, but don't worry. So I'm going to cover it with this. Then I will leave it overnight before I blend everything together. After the next day, this is how my fenugreek mixture looks like. Yes, as you can see, it has thickened. The consistency is more thick. So now we are going to add everything into the blender. And here is my blender. My banana, I'm using a small size because this DIY don't have any preservative in it, so I don't want to waste any remaining. My banana, and now the fenugreek mixture. I left it overnight. Okay. Then now aloe vera juice to blend it. I had another half cup of aloe vera juice. then I blend everything together. And now my mixture is ready. This is how it looks like. So now I'm going to strain it out with my strainer. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. This is how I like it. And I strain it out. I continue straining it. I have to because of the black particles in the banana. I have to strain it. I don't want any particles on my hair. So I continue doing this until everything comes out. So that's it. After straining it, this is how it looks like. And now it's time for me to add my avocado oil. And here I'm going to measure a teaspoon. I'm using the teaspoon. I don't know if you can see it very well, the color. This is 1 teaspoon. So I add and I'll add another one. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of the avocado oil. Then I mix everything together. You can choose to add the oil during the blending. You can add everything together at once. The banana, the oil and the fenugreek powder. You can choose to do that. But this is how I make my. I wanted to see how thick, how the consistency will be before I'll know the amount of oil to add. Continue mixing. And here is my banana fenugreek mask. Wow, I like the consistency. It's not too watery because I don't want it to be messy when applying it. That's why I want it like this. So that's it all for this mask. I'm going to apply this on my hair, on a clean and shampooed hair. After shampooing my hair, I apply this DIY mask on my hair and then cover it with a plastic cap like this one and leave it on for about 30 to 1 hour, depending. Sometimes 45 minutes, sometimes, but nothing more than 1 hour. After that, then I wash it off and then moisturize my hair using the LCO method. and then put it into a protective style until my next wash day. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below and remember to subscribe to this channel, and also click the bell icon beside it to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.